Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy. Did you know that you can actually make a sticky note and place it on your desktop? Today, we're going to teach you how to use sticky notes on Windows 10. It's a very simple method, so let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to go to the Start menu and then search for sticky notes here. You also have the option to type in sticky notes on the search bar. So here it is, left click on it. So this is the sticky note. At this point, you can type in whatever note you would like to type, such as reminders, schedule, etc. For example, I'm going to write walk the dog at 5 p.m. Once you're done and you want to add more note, you can just click on the plus symbol right here. As you can see, another sticky note has been added, and it is permanently on the desktop. Now, if you want to customize your sticky notes, you just need to click on these three little dots here to change the color. You can also navigate here if you want the characters in bold. Simply highlight the note and click on it. And if you want to make a list, just click on this so you can make a list. You can also change the size of the stick note by dragging one of the corners of the sticky notes. Make it as big as you want. If you want to delete it, then click the little three dots again and click delete. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.